Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create a set inspired by the Madam Glam Harvest Hues collection. So I have a fresh set of Gel X nails on. I did decide to change the shape up. You guys will have to let me know if you like these. These are the medium square. I normally do long stiletto, so this is different, but I felt like trying a different shape. So the first color we're going to start out with is Madam Glam's Nature Gift. This is a really pretty olive green. This was part of the Harvest Hues collection. I will leave a link to swatches of that collection down below, so make sure to go check it out. It is a beautiful fall themed collection. So I'm going to paint this on my pinky, and then I will do it on my thumb as well. The next color we're going to take is Nova. This is like an off-white pale green shade. So it acts as a really nice neutral next to the olive green. And I'm going to paint this on my two middle nails. Next, we're going to go in with Fall Serenade. This is this really unique burnt orange that has like a pinky undertone to it. It's really pretty. I'm gonna paint this on my pointer finger. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, I'm going to take the gold gel paint from Madam Glam, and I'm going to create a cuticle cuff on my pinky, my pointer, and my thumb. This is just going to give it some accent because the rest of these nails are going to stay plain. And I will insert an inspiration picture. This is a set I did, I believe, last year. It's really pretty, and I wanted to recreate this with a fall color scheme. So this is how we're doing it. Next, going in with the No Wipe top coat from that collection, Leaf Bliss. This is a really pretty gold, rose gold, copper mix of a leaf glitter. And I'm going to paint this on top of the two middle nails. And now we're going to do some stamping. So I'm taking the stamping plate from MoU London. This is their Fall in Love collection number 2. So it has a bunch of different leaf images on it. And I'm going to take these two stamping polishes from Clear Jelly, number 51, which is a nice gold, and then number 1, which is black. So I'm going to stamp different gold leaves on the two middle nails. And then we'll do the center or like the vine of the leaf in black. But what's really nice about doing the No Wipe top coat first is that these specialty No Wipe top coats, they add that little bit of shimmer or glitter. In this case, it's like a leaf glitter. And then it's a no wipe formula, so you don't have to remove the tacky layer. It's a perfect base to do your stamping on top of. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my nails came out. I absolutely love this color scheme. It just screams fall. Like, this is the perfect fall color scheme. And so I've been really enjoying this set for November. You guys will have to let me know down below what you think of this set, what you think of this new shape. And definitely let me know what other designs you'd like to see from me. Of course, we have the holidays coming up, so we will have lots of holiday videos as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!